Hello students, welcome to the section. In this section, I am going to teach trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Students, let us consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Look at the figure, triangle ABC with side 2A units. And as we know that in an equilateral triangle, all angles are equal to 60 degree. So which means that angle A equal to, angle B equal to, angle C equal to 60 degree. 60 degree and AB equal to, side AB equal to, BC is equal to AC is equal to 2A units. So as we know that when I draw a perpendicular line, that is line perpendicular to BC, here we got two right angle triangle, that is which can be named as ABD and ACD, be the two right angle triangle. So here AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. From the figure it is clear that AD is perpendicular to BC. And I got two right angle triangle ABD and ACD. So by using RHS congruent criteria, we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Congruent to triangle ACD. And using CPCT, that is corresponding path in congruent triangle, by using CPCT rule, we can say that angle BAD equal to angle CAD equal to what? Equal to 30 degree. These two angles are equal. Using CPCT, we can say that angle BAD equal to angle CAD, which is equal to 30 degree. Then from the figure it is clear that BD, side BD equal to side CD, which is equal to A units. So consider this right angle triangle ABD. Right angle triangle ABD. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. What is AB? AB is equal to 2A. So 2A the whole square equal to BD equal to what? A square plus AD equal to what? AD is not given. AD square. So what is 2A the whole square? 2A the whole square is equal to 4A square. 4A square is equal to A square plus AD square. Again I transpose this plus A square to this side. It become minus A square. So which is equal to what? 4A square. 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. So what is 4A square minus A square? That is 3A square. Therefore AD square is equal to 3A square. Therefore AD equal to what? AD equal to square root of 3A. Square root of 3A. So in right angle triangle ABD, sin 30 degree is equal to what? Sin 30 degree is equal to side opposite to this angle 30 degree. Here this is an reference angle. Here I take this as reference angle. So side opposite to this angle is what? BD is the side opposite to this angle. BD divided by hypotenuse is what? AB. So which is equal to what? BD equal to what? BD is A unit divided by AB equal to what? 2A. So cancelling this 2A from numerator and denominator side, I got sine 30. Value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. Again cos 30. So cos 30 is what? What is cos? Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So side adjacent to this angle 30 degree is what? That is AD. AD divided by AB. Hypotenuse is AB. Which is equal to what? AD equal to what? Here AD is root 3A. Divided by AB is 2A. Again cancelling these 2A's, I got cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Again tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to what? Tan 30 degree is equal to, as we know that tan is equal to what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Here the side opposite to this angle 30 degree is what? BD by side adjacent to this angle 30 degree is equal to what? AD. BD by AD, which is equal to what? BD is equal to what here? BD is A divided by AD is what? Root 3A. Again cancelling these 2A's, I got tan 30 is equal to what? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Again cosec 30. What is cosec? Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So cosec 30 is equal to what? Reciprocal of sine 30 degree. What is the reciprocal of sine 30? That is reciprocal of 1 by 2, which is equal to 2. Again sec 30 is what? Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. So what is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Then what is cot 30? Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So what is cot 30? Cot 30 is the reciprocal of 1 by root 3. So the reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. So therefore the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cosec 30 is 2, and sec 30 is 2 by root 3, and cot 30 is root 3. Again we want to find, again consider this right angle triangle ABD, and next we want to find the value of, similarly we can find the value of sine 60 degree. So sine 60 degree equal to what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. The side opposite to this angle. Here I take the reference angle as angle B. So side opposite to this angle 60 degree is what? AD. So AD divided by B, AB, hypotenuse. So AD is equal to what? Root 3A divided by AB equal to what? 2A. Again cancelling these 2A's, I got the value of sine 60 as root 3 by 2. Again cos 60 is equal to what? Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So therefore cos 60 degree is equal to what? Side adjacent to this angle 60 degree equal to what? BD. BD divided by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? AB. BD divided by AB equal to what? BD equal to what here? BD is A. A divided by AB equal to what? 2A. So cos 60 is equal to, cancelling these two a's from numerator and denominator side, I got the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then what is tan 60? As we know that tan is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 60 is equal to side opposite to this angle 60 degree is what? Here from the figure it is clear that it is AD divided by BD. So what is AD here? AD equal to root 3a, square root of 3a, divided by BD equal to what? 2a. BD is a. So which is equal to what? Cancelling these two a's, I got the value of tan 60 as root 3, square root of 3. Again, next we want to find the value of cosec 60, sec 60 and cot 60. So what is cosec? Here cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So cosec 60 degree is the reciprocal of sine 60 degree. So what is sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So what is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Then sec 60. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So therefore sec 60 is equal to what? Which is the reciprocal of 1 by 2. That is 2. Then cot 60 is equal to what? Cot 60 is the reciprocal of tan. So cot 60 degree is the reciprocal of tan 60 degree. Here the value of tan 60 is what? Root 3. So cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Thank you.